Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix service host agent activation runtime high CPU and RAM memory usage. Click Startup tab, select Cortana, click Disable. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click AARSVC. Open Start. Change value data to 4. Click AARSVCDD9EE. Open Start. Change value data to 4. Close and exit registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.